2010 GMC Acadia. Going to take down the gas tank, and it's on the left side of the car. It's a big one. Try to do it when empty of gas. This is the gas tank down here with the 3 straps. You have to raise the car. If you're a home mechanic and you don't have all the lift, so you have to work with a jack or stands or rams or something. Rams will work on this car because it's high. There's plenty of space. What we're looking for is enough space to drop the gas tank. Go any further working on the gas tanks and gas tanks lines. Safety always. I like to disconnect the battery terminal. In the Acadia, it's in the back of the passenger seat, the battery. So I will disconnect from there. Okay, before we start removing the gas tank, we're going to have to remove some attachments like fuel lines, vapor lines, electrical harnesses. And it's out. Now I gotta disconnect the filler tube. I will press this line upwards so it doesn't leak. Be careful of the brake very easily. Dry out. Try to go easy on them. If they bad, replace them. Now it's a good time to do all these things. So disconnect. There is a wire harness coming from the tank. I disconnected under here too. Nothing at this time in the front of the part of the tank is connected to the tank. 3 15mm bolts with the straps. Okay, now all the 3 straps are hanging. Like we release the jack now. And we see the movement. There you go. Okay, the tank is out. Clean it first, blow the dust out. You don't want anything fall into the pump or you take out the ring. So clean the area very well first, okay? And then you can use pliers, and you can just, place it something like that and try to rotate the ring like just so. So the rim is out, and just lift, but be careful because the float is inside, so you have to turn it sideways and remove it. I'm going to drop it in for now, just to see the installation part. Just gently down to you place that down like that, and then just enter the ring. You can only go upside like that. Press it down and turn clockwise like. Okay, we're going to install the gas tank. It's a big one, like 7 feet. I replace the fuel pump, and everything is nice and clean, and we're going to go back in again. So the tank is going to be slide under the car to almost where it's supposed to be. The car, we put it back. You can see the jack stand has a piece of wood under it to cover more area. Okay, so one person can do the job. There's no problem. It's a big tank, however. And if you have an extra hand, that would be great. If not, the jack is your best friend. Connect this first. For now, we got the rear strap and the hose for the filler. And plug in the vapor line. Secure the wire harness. Connect the harness. Make sure it clicks as well. Okay, it's click. So all the wire harness and lines and hoses are connected. Now we're going to go to the front. The only thing remains right now for me to tie the straps a little bit more. Not a hard job, it's just a big tank. And again, I'm going to say, make sure it's empty. is too big to take down when it's full. There is a wire harness coming from the tank. I disconnected under here too, and that line over there is electrical, vapor, and a gas. There is a seal that goes here in the front is to protect the wire harness, and that's over. Okay, the Acadia gas tank is back on. All good. Job is done. Driving the 2010 Acadia after the repair we had. It was fixed.